Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry I can't be there with you to start the trimester off to a good start, but I want you to watch this video as a little introduction to our next unit. We're starting fresh with poetry. We'll be working on this for like the next 3 or 4 weeks. So I just want to do a quick introduction. What do you remember about poetry from previous years? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Why? I want you to take a minute and reflect to yourself. Go ahead and pause the video. So the essential questions that we are going to really focus in on with this unit are: who are some major contributors to the world of poetry over the years, and how does their work impact our world today, and what are some different styles of poetry and when were they popular? So we're going to be diving into different types and different poets. What you are going to do right now is start a new subject in your LA divider and call it Unit 7 Poetry. Everything we do from now until the end of the unit will be filed away in there, starting with today's activity. All resources for our unit will be in the Unit 7 folder on Schoology. It's about 3, maybe 4 weeks long, and there are 2 major assessments. There's going to be a poetry terms quiz, which you'll start studying for today, and then a final poetry project where you're going to create a playlist for a person. Throughout this unit, you'll analyze famous poetry and write your own, and because music is my favorite type of poetry, we'll be connecting a lot to music, and we'll even talk about spoken word, which is a really cool type of poetry. So right now what I need you to do is make sure you've created a new subject in your LA divider for this unit called Unit 7, Poetry. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to do that. Alright, after you've watched this introduction video, you're going to begin studying for our poetry terms that we're going to be using throughout this unit. So if you take a look at today's assignment, there are directions in there. Either in your notebook or a blank Notability document, you're going to copy down the words and definitions from this Quizlet that I have attached. You can just scroll down and look at the words in the glossary. Copy down the words and definitions. You can do this in a blank Notability document or your notebook. We'll come back to this throughout the unit, and you can use these notes on the assessment. There will be a quiz on them next week. So you're going to submit the notes document or a picture of your notebook to this assignment. Okay, that's your deliverable for today. That's how you get points for doing your work. Then you're going to study the words with a partner by quizzing each other or playing games on the Quizlet. I've linked it there, and there for you. And then your last task is to complete the self-paced Kahoot using the link and game pin assigned to your specific hour. So there are not too many words. Some of them are things you've seen already. They should be pretty easy for you to review. If you have questions, message me on Schoology. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you're on task and be good.